We've been talking about social media. Big court case against that. There are lots of your messages in on that. Not time to read them now, but we will in the next hour. So stay tuned here on Newsday.
My voice is not AI. On Medication Frontier News, you will always hear humans reporting stories about other humans for humans by humans.
Weekday mornings from 5 to 9 on WHYY. This is WHYY FM Philadelphia, WNJM Manhattan, WNJM FM Atlantic City, WNJC Gateway Quarters, streaming on the WHYY app and at WHYY.com. Good morning, I'm Mary Cummings Jordan. You're listening to the BBC here on WHYY. It's 2:59. Keep it here. We're